Good morning to the people of Tobago. I am Assemblyman Megan Morrison, Assistant Secretary in the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation. Today I am here to say a special greeting to the Spiritual Baptist community as they celebrate and commemorate Spiritual Baptist Liberation Day. As you know, the Spiritual Baptist community is a resilient bunch of people who have survived having to hide to worship their Lord, and today is testament to their resilience as they have now emerged and worship with freedom and celebrating our African and cultural heritage while doing so. The Spiritual Baptist community has evolved over time. If you notice, we have several churches, we have schools at our disposal. So I would like to say to the Spiritual Baptist community, take your candle from under your bushel and let your light so shine before men that man will see your good work and glorify your Father which is in heaven. Happy Spiritual Baptist Liberation Day.